Good morning, everyone. This is Luke Robinson with the National Weather Service in Missoula, Montana, with your fire weather briefing for Sunday, September 9th. So for today, Sunday, we are expecting a quieter day compared to what we had yesterday with the gusty southwesterly winds. We'll see temperatures in the valleys across the region in the low to mid 70s and upper 60s for most of the terrain across the region. Now for tomorrow, we are expecting another cold front to move through the region, starting tomorrow morning for northwest Montana, and then as we go in through the day, this front will slide to the southeast through north central Idaho and southwestern Montana. So on the left here, this is just to give you an idea about what we could be looking at with the wind gusts. So this will be west to southwest winds. As you can see, could see wind gusts in the upper 20s to low 30s in some of the valleys across west central Montana and along the Continental Divide, and a little bit higher wind gusts for the higher terrain. On the right, we have the lowest relative humidities that we are expecting for Monday afternoon. And as you can see, southwest Montana, we are expecting those NRHs to get into the teens, and the low 20s for other portions of southwest Montana. And as you go to the northwest, as you can tell, our NRHs will be a little bit higher. So this is just to give you an idea about what the overall pattern is going to look like for Monday. The areas circled in yellow will have the best chance for the light rain showers and maybe an isolated thunderstorm or two. Not really expecting a wetting rain except for those that are in the Glacier National Park region. The yellow lines, the tighter packed those lines are, is where we're expecting the stronger winds. So you can see across the west central Montana and southwest Montana and along the Continental Divide is where we'll likely see those stronger winds. And for north central Idaho, we're not expecting much precip for you, and the winds will be a little bit lighter compared to those in western Montana, but you can still see some breezy conditions, especially in the exposed higher terrain. So the afternoon highs for Monday and Tuesday, you'll see we'll have a little bit of a cool down for Tuesday behind that cold front that moves through Monday. And then going forward through the rest of the week, we'll see in our 6 to 10 day outlook, we are expecting much of the region to be below normal, and we'll likely see a mixed bag for most locations with possibility of above normal in precip for northwest Montana, and then the rest of the region probably seeing around average to slightly below normal. Our fair weather matrix for the upcoming few days, the only time period where we are looking at maybe seeing an elevated threat will be for tomorrow, and that again will be for west central Montana and southwest Montana, particularly southwest Montana, because you'll have the breezy winds and the lower RHs. That concludes today's fire weather briefing. Our next briefing will be Tuesday, September 11th. Thank you.